Good afternoon, YouTube. This is the mule that helps pull the canal boat along the General Harrison Canal. We're getting ready to start the trip going south on the canal boat right here. We're getting ready to pull off, I think. No, not yet. They have to hitch her up to the rope. Yeah, he's getting out right there. But anyway, that's going to be it for this one. Just a short video of the mule by herself with her hand oar right there. Pretty cool stuff.